Hello my friends and welcome to the channel. In this one I'm showing you how to set up SKU on Shopify. So if you want to keep your inventory organized, speed up order fulfillment and avoid shipping mistakes, setting up SKUs on Shopify takes less than a minute. Let's do it. Okay, so firstly, how do we add SKU code to a standalone product? So log in into your Shopify admin and of course click on product on the left menu here. And you can then click directly on the product name that you want to add it. I'll just go ahead and choose this test product, for example. Then scroll down until you reach inventory section. Let me see. It's actually going to be right over here where we have the variants. So if you have any variants that you've chosen, you need to click on a variant, okay? Like this. And then in this particular interface, here we go, we have SKUs. Just click on here. Okay, and you can just go ahead and type in your unique code, like for example, shirt BLK med, right? So it's just kind of a code. And make sure that the track quantity is also checked. There you go, inventory checked, tracked, to manage your stock levels, and then hit save in the top right corner to apply the changes. So SKU is right here, input it, and then save, of course. So that is it. Enjoy, my friends. If this was helpful, make sure to like the video.